Running a contracting business is already a full-time job. You should not have to become a web designer, programmer, and marketing expert just to make your website do its job. Many contractor websites look fine, but give homeowners no clear next step, no useful tools, no simple path from website visitor to actual lead. At instantsalesfunnels.com, I build practical website tools and lead generation systems for contractors. Need a better way to turn visitors into leads? I build and install done-for-you lead pages on existing WordPress websites. You do not have to rebuild your site or figure it out alone. See a contractor tool you like? I can install a suitable lead generation calculator or contractor tool directly on your website for a simple one-time fee. No complicated setup, no ongoing monthly service. Before you buy, explore instantsalesfunnels.com. There are contractor tools you can try for yourself. Use the menu and see what I build. Need help deciding? Email or text me using the contact information on the site. I will help you figure out what makes sense. You already know your trade. Let me help make your website a little better at bringing you business. Visit instantsalesfunnels.com. The links are below and in the comments.